Nothing moves unless you move it. Let's restart.
Entire world today is fighting against the pandemic, COVID-19. India took a call on lockdown at an appropriate time, and the whole world is appreciating this as a right decision taken at the right time. The people of India wholeheartedly supported this courageous and thoughtful step and participated in Janata Curfew with full enthusiasm and discipline. People adhered to all the government instructions. This joint effort by the people and the government helped contain the disease to a great extent. Besides taking the initiatives to prevent COVID-19, the government decided to allow manufacturing units and factories to start production in order to keep the economy moving while ensuring all safety measures in place. These mainly comprised of micro, small and medium enterprises. It is imperative that all micro, small and medium enterprises adopt all preventive measures against coronavirus. It is time to adopt a new work culture. We will emerge victorious in the fight against coronavirus pandemic. Before they start industrial operations, all micro, small and medium enterprises must ensure that all areas in the premises, including entrance gate of the building, conference hall, cafeteria, restrooms, walls, lifts, etc. are regularly sanitized with user-friendly disinfectants. All machines and vehicles entering the workplace must be disinfected. Every employee must go through thermal screening while entering and exiting the premises. Big gatherings, like more than 10 people at one place, must not be allowed, and proper ventilation at the premises should be ensured. Special vehicles to be arranged for those employees who are coming from outside with only 30 to 40% passenger capacity, and should ply passengers with windows open. Provision of hand wash and sanitizer at all entry, exit points and common areas. Let's start from the beginning. Guidelines for the protection of personnel working in micro, small and medium enterprises. When getting ready for work, check on your health. Don't go to work if you are even slightly unwell. Do wear a mask while moving out of the house. You can also make your own reusable mask at home. Maintain social distancing at the pickup point. That is, maintain a distance of 1 meter from the other person. Follow social distancing even inside the vehicle. If you are using a two-wheeler, ride alone. If you are traveling in a car, keep the front passenger seat vacant, which is next to the driver's seat. Other passengers should occupy the rear passenger seat. Follow social distancing while entering the office premises as well. Maintain 1 meter distance from other person. Prevention against coronavirus at workplace. Must wear mask at workplace. While entering the workplace premises, don't forget to sanitize your hands. Wash your hands with soap and water for 20 seconds several times in a day. Avoid touching your eyes, nose and face. Suggestions for the officers. Conduct virtual meetings only as far as possible. Make sure to disinfect the meeting room with spray before and after every meeting. Maintain social distancing norms during meeting as well. Wash your hands with soap and water for 20 seconds before and after the meeting. Avoid conventional etiquettes like handshakes. Instead, greet with Namaste. New norms for cafeteria. Prefer home-cooked food only, or else eat packaged food. Take separate lunch breaks to avoid contact. Sanitize the eating area at regular intervals. New norms for commute and travel. Say no to carpooling. Follow social distancing norm while traveling. Maintain 1 meter distance from the other person. Disinfect company and factory-owned vehicles with spray before and after every trip. Prevention in restrooms. Open doors with the help of elbows. Don't crowd up the restroom. Clean the commode before and after use. Wash your hands well for 20 seconds with soap and water. The cleaning staff should be more attentive while cleaning the restrooms. Disinfect frequent touch points like water taps, wash basin, and commode with spray. Safety measures after returning home from work. Dispose of the mask and gloves outside the house only. If it is a homemade mask, wash with warm water and detergent and use it again. Remove shoes before entering the house. Wash your hands with soap and water for 20 seconds. Some important tips. Don't touch the mask when worn. In case it happens, wash your hands immediately with soap and water for 20 seconds. Remove the mask from the bag. Never hold it from the front. Download the Arogya Setu app on your phone. We, the entrepreneurs, officers and workers of micro, small and medium enterprises can also help in accelerating the economic growth of the country, besides safeguarding ourselves and preventing the spread of this pandemic just by embracing new habits and behaviors. When alone, challenges look bigger. When together, we emerge as winner.
MSME Ministry is always ready to help you. In case of any need, please contact